Good evening and welcome to the Trade Exchange market wrap-up for the 3rd of August 2016. Before we jump into the markets for the day, very special promotions for those of you who are watching our video today. Mention the Trade Exchange video in an email or phone number. Give us a call and you will receive 50% off your first month's subscription. Right here at the bottom, folks, you can either tweet us, DM us on Twitter, email the TradeXchange at thetradeexchange.com, phone 203-939-1250, and mention the Trade Exchange video that you've just seen to receive the 50% off, folks, only for viewers of this video. So let's jump into the markets, folks. The Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500 all finished higher. You'll see here right on your right-hand side the SPY chart. And again, folks, this is just a simple 1-minute chart. On the left side, you'll see S&P 500 finishing at 2163.79, higher by 0.30%. NASDAQ higher by 0.43% and 51.59. Dow higher as well at 18,355. The FTSE lower by 0.17% at 66.3440. If you see here on the right-hand side, certainly on the SPY, we did more or less of a positive tone to the market for the duration of the day, especially going into the close. West Texas Intermediate crude, the larger story here, above that 41 handle, higher by over 4%. Did see some volatility at 10:30 following the EIA figures. On gold, lower this during the day at 1364.30. Silver lower, 10-year yield at 1.542, right around that 1.5 handle, and the dollar, the DXY at 95.559. For tomorrow's economic activity, chain store sales in the morning, Challenger job cut report at 7:30, initial jobless claims at 8:30, Gallup good jobs rate at 8:30 as well. Clearly, folks, we're getting ready for the Friday all-important employment situation report. That's at Friday at 8:30 a.m. We have factory orders tomorrow at 10, the EIA natural gas report at 10:30. For tomorrow, certainly earnings schedule continuing both in pre-market and after hours. Wanted to highlight some option activity for you. We'll show you that in just a moment. Specifically on DYN, we saw September 17.5 call activity, 5,000 contract block at 45 cents on the offer. When you're seeing call activity on the offer, it tends to be a bullish sentiment. And you see here 11:27, a continuation of that bullish sentiment into the 1 o'clock hour. And again, that's on DYN Dynegy. Some interesting company filings, your insider filings for today at 11:44. We saw a number of INFN insider transactions, and you see this tick up here, a tick up in volume, a tick up in price action on the heels of the insider transactions being reported and market participants reacting to that. Highlighted syndicates, we have FUEL registration statement on NEE to sell equity units of $1.5 billion. Again, that's an NEE. Let's highlight some Zozo level watch alerts from this morning. And we'll pick up SSYS first at 933 over $20.03. Again, that's SSYS Stratasys. See a nice volume right off the open and a continued price action toward that $20.50. Really nice look at that on SSYS level watch alert. We'll also show you the ADXS at 9:59 in the morning at over $12.02. Again, you see that white line as a technical level and a nice price action and volume, as you can see on the bottom part of that screen, for ADXS. Taking a look at your merger and risk arbitrage for the day. We do publish this information from Merger Brief into the forum and the morning mashup in DWA, CMCSA, HUM, and AET. A lot of conversation about that recently. Definitely stay informed, folks. WRGXP, Westar disclosed a DOJ investigation opened on June 23rd in its 10Q and announced the company's plan to cooperate. That's on WRGXP. Folks, the trick is behind all this information is to get this information in real time, whether it's option activity, company filings, syndicates, level watch alerts, or in pre-market merger and risk arbitrage information. If you do not get the morning mashup, we highly recommend that you do so, including the EGN and Early Global News. Great publications on a daily basis. Let's show you how to do that. If you go to the TradeXchange.com website, you'll click on mashup right over here. You'll see this here. If you do not get it, put your name, email, and phone number, and you'll be put on the list for the TradeXchange morning mashup. Same thing for EGN right here. Wonderful way to get these publications in real time in the forum. If you're not a subscriber, great time to do it, folks, at $39.95. And if you do mention this video as a TradeXchange video in an email or telephone, we'll give you 50% off your first month's subscription. So instead of $39.95, you'll be paying $19.98 for the first month. Great offer. And folks, yes, we do have mobile apps both on Google Play and Apple Store. Awesome apps, great interaction with the TradeXchange information, and we'll show you just in a moment what else you'll be getting with the TradeXchange subscription, and that is this particular feed. This is a great way to search symbols. This updates from the TradeXchange consistently, and you get this information. A wonderful way of searching, filtering information from the TradeXchange. Highly recommended to use it. Folks, thanks for joining us. This has been the TradeXchange market wrap-up for the 3rd of August. Wishing all of you a very pleasant evening. See you in the morning.